interactions can take place through others, nature, and other things. Pragmatists look at the relationship between what is known versus what is perceived. An individual's reality changes as a result of the unique personal experiences and interactions they encounter in their life. Reflection on experience directs a practical thought process, and the resulting judgment guides the individual's subsequent actions in a specific setting. The concept of progress is the fundamental theme of pragmatism. Different interpretations come from different interactions. The mind and ideas are not static, but dynamic and subject to change from each experience.
Auguste Comte and Charles Darwin had an impact on pragmatism. Comte's influence was that science could solve social problems. Darwin had the theory of natural selection. Natural selection said that reality was open-ended, not fixed, and subject to change. They then connected it to education and stated that it is an open-ended and subject to biological and social development. The three philosophers associated with pragmatism are William James, John Dewey, and Charles Sanders Peirce. Pragmatism was developed in the mid-19th century. Peirce, a mathematician who came up with the idea of pragmatism. He thought that knowledge depends on verification of ideas through experience. James, a psychologist and philosopher, used pragmatism in psychology and philosophy. He said that experience should take precedence over abstractions and universals because experience is open-ended, pluralistic, and in process. John Dewey had the greatest impact on American pragmatism. He thought experience, thought, and consequences were interrelated.
William James and John Dewey both believed that reality and knowledge are based on experience and interactions with others, nature, and other things. Along with this idea, it was said that all reality and knowledge is subject to change at any time. Primarily, John Dewey centered his beliefs about knowledge by saying that experimental problem-solving knowledge contributes to an individual's growth. He stressed the importance of teachers guiding their students, but still allowing the students to come up with their own ideas and guesses. In today's day, we label Dewey's curriculum as a scientific method. The scientific method dominated the pragmatism curriculum as teachers began to use this curriculum in the classroom.
Pragmatism in the classroom is about learning through interactions and experiences to help the students in life and growth. The lessons the teachers teach the students should be practical to their environment and what will help them learn in their own ways by using hands-on experiments or interactions. Here are some examples that show pragmatism in the classroom through the different subjects taught. In history, you could have the students identify different parts of the world by using a globe. In science, you could have the students make a model of a cell to understand the different parts. In math, you could have the students make their own community and economy in which they would learn about using and handling money. Not only could pragmatism be taught through different hands-on activities, but you could also take the students out of the classroom on field trips when needed.